Our topic is about habitat destruction. What is habitat? Habitat refers to the zone in which the organism lives and where it can find food, shelter, protection, and mates for reproduction. It has the natural environment in which an organism lives, or the physical environment that surrounds a species population. What is habitat destruction means? It is the process by which a natural habitat becomes incapable of supporting its native species. The organisms that previously inhabited by the site are displaced or dead, thereby reducing biodiversity and species abundance. What is this issue? Animals around the world's habitats get destroyed by construction, fires, greenhouse gases, pollution, and etc. People are turning the rainforests into buildings, parks, houses, and etc. Animals are placed in zoos and other places during these events.
What is the science behind habitat destruction? Science shows that by trying to cut down on pollution caused by garbage, oil spills, air pollution from factories, and many other things, we could cut down the rate animals' habitat are being destroyed. Is this issue on the news? Recently in the news, there has been talk about drilling in the Arctic. This could have a huge effect on the animals living there. People say that if they drill oil here, there is possibilities of another oil spill. What are people doing about this issue? Groups are working together to raise awareness on habitat destruction and encouraging people to create habitats near them by planting trees and other native plants, also keeping water sources like rivers and lakes clear of pollution. Worldwide Fund of Nature is trying to create a future where everyone lives in harmony with nature.
How is this issue affecting the animals? In the Arctic, greenhouse gases have caused a lot of ice to melt, which has made it harder for animals like polar bears to find food because of this polar bear population has decreased. Logging and construction has moved many animals out of their homes. Baby animals are being born into captivity, not in the wild like they are meant to be, and not learning the skills they need to live in the wild. In the Arctic, animals in the Arctic like polar bears, seals, seabirds, walruses, and other Arctic marine animals are being affected by climate change, making it harder to find food and raise their young ones. Animals being affected in other areas in the world. Animals like orangutans, chimpanzees, monkeys, leopards, pandas, and many other animals are losing their homes because of logging companies, constructions, oil drilling, fires, and many other reasons causing their population to decline. The solutions for habitat loss and destruction. First, we can combat habitat loss by preserving natural resources and learning how to use them in a way that does not require such frequent destruction of habitats. Regulation is equally important. Plans and rules should be set forth to legalize how much of a given area can be altered for the benefits of humans. By practicing more restraint, we allow wildlife to adapt and leave more areas undisturbed for the sake of biodiversity.
We should also teach others the importance of biodiversity. Comprehensive education regarding the environment helps people to understand how necessary biodiversity is and teaches ways in which everyone can contribute to process at ed and keeping many different species alive. Along with education, awareness should also be raised. Observers should make it a point to assess, reporting, professionals by safely documenting the process of habitat destruction wherever the opportunities arises. Videos and photos help to visually present the unfortunate circumstances that environment destruction can create, evoking emotional responses that will inspire others to take action to protect natural habitats. As quickly as humans can destroy natural habitats, we should be just as willing to put forth the effort to rebuild and attempt to replace what is lost. For areas that cannot be saved, we can assess and funding the creation of areas that will serve as our rebounds for displayed wildlife instead. These safe havens mimic the natural habitats that allow plants to grow and animals to live healthy without the threat of devastation. Efforts have been put in place to create these sanctuaries by environmentalists all over the world to protect species from extinction.